So if you are wondering why your color pencil drawings are kinda like this and not like this, then this video is for you. In this video I'm gonna share with you guys 5 tips and tricks to improve your skills with color pencils instantly. All these tips and tricks are already used by me, and the last trick can elevate your artwork by 20 to 30%. So watch till the end and give me more watch time. So for the first tip, it's all about sketching. Now you have just finished doing outlines and now you are gonna use your color pencils. Stop! Haha, you already made your first mistake. So before using any color pencils, erase those outlines, not everything. Make those outlines more light, or with those bold lines your artwork will become more messy. So for the second tip, start by doing dark areas first. So for example, start with the darkest tone to add one layer, then use the lightest tone to blend it. And for blending, here's the third tip. Cross blending is the best blending method, and here's how to do it. So add the first layer horizontally and the second layer vertically using pressure. So here is how normally people do, and here is using cross blending method. Now you can definitely see the difference between those two. So yeah, use cross blending method for blending. So for the fourth tip, which is also about blending, don't use white. Okay, don't ever use white for coloring unless you are using a tone paper. So now white is the lightest color in your color pencil set. Okay, so that's why you can use white for blending as well. There is 4 to 5 different blending methods that I personally use for color pencil drawings, and if you want a separate video about that, let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to like so that this video can reach further audience. Please, that's a request. And for the last legendary 5th tip that can elevate your drawing by 20 to 30% is, oh sorry, but only 5% people watching my videos are subscribed. I mean only 5%. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. We are very close to 1000 subscribers. So yeah, subscribe now, and let's get back to the video. Subscribe, just subscribe. And for the last legendary 5th tip that can elevate your drawing by 20 to 30% is use violet color in every dark portion. I mean every. Violet color is an even mixture of cool tone blue and warm tone red. So basically it goes with every other color. So how to use it? Add your first dark tone, then add violet. When applying violet, don't use much pressure. Now use lightest tone to blend the colors using cross blending method that I taught you before. I'm your teacher, respect me. And that's it. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you did, please consider subscribing, because we are very close to 1000 subscribers. And yeah, subscribe. Bye.